Afternoon YouTube. It's about 10 degrees, it's been raining on and off. I'm here at the North Shore to introduce a new video series I've been wanting to do for the past 5 months. New rider tips from a new rider, for myself, 15 months in. So stick around, tell me what you think. Cheers! Afternoon YouTube, how are you doing today? Just going along Salkett's shoreline, about 10 degrees, windy as usual, but for a quick wee run. Looks like it's going to rain, but that'll no matter. So the plan today is to introduce a couple of videos each month, which is going to be new rider tips from a new rider, which is myself. Anybody that's been in the channel or one of my subscribers for a wee while will know I'm about 15 months in since passing my tests. This is something I've been thinking about for probably about 5 or 6 months. So I normally release a video every Wednesday, weather permitting, as it is, as you know. It can be a wee bit dicey up here sometimes in the winter months, but so far I've managed to get it a few times. So I've been thinking about doing this kind of new rider tips from a new rider for a wee while. So the plan is to alternate the videos that I release every Wednesday and introduce this to them. So I've got a few topics that I'll go through in each video, and it's just tips for myself that I've learnt in the 15 months. I'm not an instructor, I'm not an experienced rider, I'm still a noob. But I really wanted to do this for anybody that was thinking of getting a bike or starting out, and for fellow riders like myself that are new. So it's going to be tips and hints and conversations I've had with experienced bikers, what I learned when I was training. So I've got a whole host of subjects I'm going to cover in each video. Like the gear, what gear you should buy, what you should be wearing. I'm a big fan of that, as you'll know in previous videos. Got to look after yourself when you're on the bike. Make sure your gear's right and that you're wearing it, obviously. Cover a bit in corners, cornering, road position, panicking, the fear, especially when you're out in corners. And it's just going to be all the tips that I've kind of picked up. So I'll do a first couple of videos, see the reaction to it. If I get a good response to it, I'll keep them going. As I say, I'm not any instructor or experienced rider. Some of the stuff I might say, I might get through was good for me. doesn't mean it's going to be good for anybody else, but I decided to help and give something back to any new riders out there, anybody thinking of doing it, anybody that's just interested in it. So I will turn it in every Wednesday when I get the chance. And if it's your first time visit to the channel and it's a subject that interests you, stick in the comments what you'd like me to cover off. Same with anybody else, any more subscribers. And you want more information about, let me know. If I know enough information about it, I'll cover it off. There's plenty of topics to be discussed. So I'm looking forward to doing it. Aye, so let me know in the comments if there's anything you would like me to cover off. I'll also cover off some stuff with the CBTs, direct access, what to expect for the training you get, mod 1, mod 2. So I say there's a lot of subjects to be covered. Hopefully you'll find them interesting. As always, any feedback once I start the videos is always a good thing. So I'm going to have a quick run along the coast, open her up a wee bit. Get a good heat cycle through the bike. As always, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, don't forget to hit the bell so you know when I'm uploading. And if you're new to the channel, I upload a video every Wednesday. Look at the previous videos, my plans for this year, what I've done in the past in my first year. And if you like what you see and you want to see more, then subscribe. So as always, thanks for watching. Share the video, comment in the video, and I'll catch you the next time. Bye.